Town to protest against the COVID-19 vaccines. They say they want their constitutional right to freedom of association respected. They've decried what they say is information censorship against voices that do not accept the dominant narrative on COVID-19 and vaccines.
The marchers say they are part of a worldwide movement protesting for the same cause. None of them wore masks and they have not been vaccinated. They say they don't believe the numbers of COVID deaths reported by governments throughout the world. They claim the coronavirus testing protocols are wrong for infectious diseases.
The PCR test figures are wrong. We have got a huge amount of people with TB in this country. 150 people were dying of TB every single day before COVID. Nobody started wearing masks because of that. If you have a testing protocol that's not accurate, and then you have people going into hospital who've maybe got TB but are being wrongly tested to say they've got COVID and then put on a ventilator, it could kill them. You know, I'm not a doctor, but it's really, this is a basic thing.
Health authorities say the group will say anything to defame the product.
The PCR test is considered golden standard internationally, which is why our country and our province make use of the PCR test to detect COVID positive cases, as well as the antigen rapid test that's also available within a few hours. And together, the two of them form part of our mechanisms to detect and to pick up COVID positive cases so that we can interact and engage with those patients quickly.
The group says their constitutional rights to freedom of association is being curtailed. They also do not accept the state of disaster declared in the country.
We have come as a presentation of a worldwide demonstration of freedom, fighting for our freedoms, and protesting and demonstrating for our freedoms. We don't want to be subjected to curfews, we don't want to be subjected to wearing masks, and we definitely don't want to be subjected to any narrative that is going along the lines of forced vaccines to enter into public spaces.
It's fear-mongering, over and over, the same fear-mongering. We want a new narrative. They're saying the same stuff from last year. We want new narrative. We want to say, this is the solution. Let's go and exercise. Let's get vitamin D. Let's get ivermectin. Let's get hydrocortisone. There are other options for us to do, which is not the vaccine, and the only thing they say is vaccine, 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 vaccine. We want other options, President, please. Let's open up our industries. We want to work. We are DJs.
There were anti-media chants and slogans too. With the media accused of being part of shutting down this alternative source of information about the virus. Thandi Swamau, SABC News, Cape Town.